In a world that relentlessly demands speed, there's a quiet rebellion in choosing to move slowly. You don't have to move fast to prove you're moving forward. True progress isn't measured by the frantic pace of your feet, but by the calm alignment of your soul. Each step taken with intention, each moment savored, is a step toward a more meaningful existence. Let go of the illusion that you are falling behind. You are simply choosing a different, more scenic path. Sometimes slowing down is exactly what your soul needs. It's in these quiet interludes, with warmth in your hands and light on your face, that you can finally hear your own thoughts, untangled from the world's noise. This is an act of profound self-care, a recognition that your well-being is a priority. It's a space to simply be without the pressure to do. When you rush, you miss the meaning in things. Life becomes a blur, a checklist of tasks and destinations, while the actual journey, the living part, is lost. You see the crowd, but not the individual faces. You hear the noise, but not the distant melody. But when you pause, you notice life, the details, the lessons, the beauty. You see the intricate patterns on a tree's bark, the resilience of a flower growing through concrete. You find gratitude in the smallest of wonders. This is where clarity resides. In the stillness, you connect with the world around you and, more importantly, with the world within you. Take a deep breath. Feel the air fill your lungs. This simple act is an anchor to the present moment. Rest isn't laziness, it's restoration. It is the essential sacred work of refilling your cup, mending your spirit, and allowing your body and mind to heal. It is not an absence of activity, but the presence of peace. So give yourself permission. Slow down. You're not falling behind, you're aligning with peace. You are coming home to yourself, finding your rhythm not in the world's frantic beat, but in the steady, gentle pulse of your own heart.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.